Thank you, Sir Jeffrey Santos. After Jeffrey, I will go with Doggy Boy. Ang galing naman niya, no? Ang talino nung aso mo. Talino ng iyong dog, yes. Gusto naman talaga niyang magpa-groom. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's try this. Eho, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Wait lang. Saliram Gamers, hello. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, for coming to my live. Drop your link. I'll go with you. After, after Sir Jeffrey Santos. Thumbs up, Sir Jeffrey. Salirang Gamer, thank you. Coming to you after this one. Full watch lang natin to, ha? Thank you so much. Ayan, dikit. Dinikit ko siya sa'yo. Thank you so much, Sir Jeffrey. Hala, bakit naggagalaw yung aking nagmo-move ng sarili yung aking what happened? Hala, nagdulo ko yung cellphone. Ayan, okay na yung cellphone. Bakit? Dagot. Ayan. Ano siya? Ano yung tawag dito? Kusa siyang nag-move. Anong gagawin ko dito sa cellphone ko? Bakit kusang grounded? Hala, anong nangyari? I don't know why. Nakakaloka yung cellphone ko. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Nakakaloka yung cellphone. Hindi maganda to. Nagpapabalik-balik yung cellphone ko, no? Nakakaloka. Nagkukusa siyang nag-move. I don't know why. Oh my God.